Here, as you can see, we have a red Mazda 3 2018 reg. This is what we're going to be cleaning today. This was the front wheels before we started cleaning. As you can see, it's really manky from the brake dust. You can't really see it on that photo, but by the handle, you can see it on this one, really dirty. This is when we had the Sahara Desert coming over. So we started off with the jet wash, bit of a snow foam, as you can see it dripping off the vehicle. One of the most satisfying things to ever see when you're washing a vehicle. So here's a compilation of it. Next, as you can see here, we are now jet washing the snow foam off after we have left it for just a couple of minutes. Not even that, probably about a minute, just to soak in. As you can see, as we jet washing on the bodywork, the shine is coming up as it all drips off. This car wasn't actually as bad as what we thought it would be, but with all the sun, this sand and the grit, the car it was noticeable, so it did need doing. So as I make sure I don't get attacked by the washing line, started cleaning the wheels. This is where all the dirt just basically slid off, as I didn't record the bit where we put the wheel acid on. Over the bodywork now, just make sure we get every bit of the soap. This was the after the finish result of the vehicle. This was recorded the day after washing it. As you'll see on the front right wheel, it is dirty. We didn't actually record the soaping bit as the phone died and I needed to get it soaped as the water was drying. But as you can see on the bodywork, it's nice and shiny. Every part, even on the wing mirrors, as you can see as it's retracted in. These are the wheels. Obviously it's been used today. Brake dust has already gone on it, but as you can see on the other three wheels, that's how they came out, really clean after how dirty they were. Nice and shiny bodywork. Next, as you can see now, reversing the black Polo of mine. This is the 2006 Polo 9n3 model, 1.2 litre engine. So, as you can see, it's very dirty. This hasn't been washed properly since before Christmas. So a lot of dirt from the motorways, the salt from the grit on the road, obviously with the snow as well, and the fact that it hasn't been cleaned since like before Christmas. There's going to be a lot of dirt on it, but this isn't going as much detail as the washing as the Mazda did, because there's still a lot of scratches on it and marks that even with a wash it doesn't make it look fantastic, but looks better than what it was. Next, as you can see, we are jet washing the loose dirt down, just like we did with the Mazda, making sure all the loose grit, dirt, salt, whatever's on the vehicle comes off. Unfortunately I couldn't put a camera on the front, as the area that I'm in pretty dodgy. Just a time lapse of the snow foam. Unfortunately we didn't have any wheel acid, so I've had to try and use snow foam and soap for the wheels to try and clean them up as best as we can. As you can see, the snow foam dripping off, probably got all the dirt in. Next, as you can see, we're using a little detailing brush just to get into the areas of the wheel where we couldn't get with the sponge. And now it's time to jet wash the Polo from the Snowfoam. Already, as you can see, like it did with the Mazda, it's making it look like 100 times better. As you can see, this is the final product of the vehicle. Nice and shiny doors, nice clean wheels, all the body panels showing good shine. Obviously it's not going to be the best looking vehicle, with it being a 2006 there is going to be some dents and some scrapes on the bonnet, as you can see. But thank you guys for watching this video. This was a 2-day process. Did the Mazda on the Saturday and I did the Polo on the Sunday. If you want to see more content from the Mazda and the Polo, please hit the subscribe button and hit the like button as well while you're at it. Both free, both easy to do. You can click those buttons within 1 second. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.